current setting is like this one. Can you see rotate here and all rotate here? But you cannot rotate. So first you can rotate here, make the horse is upside, then remove this one. Can you see here? So put it here. So this is screw is use this one. Okay, yeah, use this one, put it here. You can maybe you can try to this way is the screw can hold the here. Give me a second. Here, very easy. Here, can you see? Here. Yeah. So maybe this one is cannot rotate. You make sure this one is can you see here? Gap. Put it here so you can make the screw is move. So you can take off. And then it rotate. The two right is a point here. Match. Okay, then you need to rotate here, recovering here, and also you can this one is correct. So you can tighten. Yeah, tighten here. That's it.